As of now, this is how the Hammerforge El Parilla is shipped. Take all the parts out of the grill and unwrap them. Handles also serve as assembly tools. Install the grate side support so the openings face the front of the grill. Make sure the mobile part of the handle support is on top. This will allow you to hang the handles without attaching them. Use the fire poker to screw the grate support and handle support together. The bent part of the back grate support has to be installed outward. The rim of the grill goes in the slimmest opening of the grate back support. You can now remove the pins and install the handles. Once the pin's back in place, you can now lift and move your El Parilla from Hammerforge.